back to my channel. Just another day with me, Danny. So I literally sound so groggy and still so sick. What the hell, can this sickness literally get out of me? But today is VLOGMAS day 25. Yes, that means it is Christmas morning. And I've had a bit of a late start this morning. I pretty much just got up at like 11. It's now like quarter to 12. And I've done my makeup. I think I'm just gonna leave my hair natural today. I'm still in my pajamas and I literally spilled eyelash glue all over my shirt. So that's ruined and stained. Thank you. Merry Christmas. So yeah, I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna be opening presents soon, and then I'm gonna be making breakfast. Actually, I'm probably gonna be making it with my mom. Yeah, and then we are going to just chill out, and then later today we are going to be going to my aunt's house for dinner, which there has been a bit of a incident that has happened, so we're not too sure if we're gonna go through with dinner at her house or whether we're gonna reschedule and do dinner at our house. But yeah, I'll probably catch up with you guys in just a tiny bit once we either do breakfast or open our stockings. So this is the Terry chocolate orange cheesecake that I made for Christmas. It looks so good. I'm ready to eat it right now. And we are soon going to my aunt's house for dinner. Okay guys, so we finished having breakfast and then we opened presents and everything. And then I got ready, so now I am all dressed. I cut my hair up in a half bun. And now we are just about to go to my aunt's house for dinner. So I will see you guys in just a little bit. Okay guys, so I've made it to my aunt's house and we are just chilling and we're probably gonna have dinner soon. Yeah.
Phone cameras are so if you want to do it. So what do you still get?
Baxter. Okay, so my aunt just got a new kitten and it is the cutest thing in the world. Oh, he's purring. Come on. What you doing? You being a cutie? Oh. You can literally do anything to him. Potato. So cute. What are you doing? Pero. Oh, that's so cute. He's biting me. Ow. Oh, he's so cute. This is the cutest cat in the world. Oh. You want to be in the vlog? Oh. Found a string. Found a string. Oh. Oh. So we just finished having dinner and now I'm just playing with the kitten. He's so cute. Look at him. Oh my god, Pedo. You are so cute. You're purring so loud. Okay guys, so I have just gotten home from my aunt's house for Christmas and I am literally so tired. I'm laying on my bed because I have like a giant food coma right now. My lipstick is coming off, but majority of it is still on, so my lips look a little bit crusty, if you know what I mean. Yeah. I couldn't really vlog that much, just because there was a lot of people and a lot of stuff going on, but I tried my best, just a little bit of vlogging here and there. Also a shout out to my aunt because her decorations looked really good and they just recently renovated bits of their house, so like the kitchen and stuff, and the decorations looked really well. She hand makes everything outside, like she cuts pieces of wood and paints them and everything, so they look really cool. I included a clip of that. So yeah, now I'm just chilling. Most of the time I was just chilling with her new kitten that she actually just rescued from Mexico. Pedo, he's so cute. I literally just filmed this clip and realized that I wasn't even recording, so I was literally just talking to myself 100%. So yeah, now I'm literally just repeating myself once again, so now I feel like an idiot, but whatever. So yeah, we pretty much had some drinks, appies, had dinner, then we had more drinks, then we had dessert, and then we pretty much had to leave because we were the last people to arrive, so we were parked in the driveway and we had to let everybody out. So we left and now I am home. I'm just chilling in bed, having to take my makeup off, all my jewelry. Fun fact, where is it? I got my chain for Christmas because I had burnt my other one, so I'm so excited that I got a new one for Christmas because it was my absolute favorite. And I'm literally just chilling, and my mom also got me a giant Squishmallow unicorn. Look at that. This one is from Costco. It's so squishy, I love it. I'm literally gonna pass out with this thing. It's even bigger than
Actually, I don't think it is. Maybe it's a tiny bit bigger than my Halloween ones, which is a bit squishier. But yeah, I think I'm going to sign this vlog out for today. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see more from me in the future. And if you're already over on my channel, then make sure you hit that bell button, because then it will notify you every time I upload a video, and then you can never miss my egg face and double chin, Gladys the double chin, ever again. So yeah, once again, before I forget, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.